Let's check the weather today. Kumusta ba? Medyo malamig pero sakto lang. Kaya naman ng t-shirt. Sa bridge tayo. There's Seiko. Ganda ng Seiko. Siguro yan yung flagship store nila. Or what? Then, so, we're here at Ginza Crossing. So, yesterday, Sunday, siguro pag weekend, ino-open nila yung ano, kumbaga, close pala nila yung mga streets dito sa Ginza. Some selected streets lang. Then, ayun. Pwede ka mag-party-party sa gitna. So dito medyo late nag-uumpisa yung mga workers. Siguro kasi well, unang-una efficient yung transport system nila dito. Hindi sila kailangan magmadali. 11 AM sila nag-start. Unlike sa atin, maaga nagpe-prepare yung mga tao. Siguro mga 4 AM pa lang, 3 AM pa lang, gising na sila para mag-prepare sa biyahe. Unlike dito, okay lang. Kahit late sila mag-start. Win-win situation naman yun sa mga business owners and workers. So, we're just waiting na makatawid. There you go. Pero pag gabi, pag tapos na yung trabaho nila, sobrang dami rin tumatawid dito. Go, Lulu! Run! Habol ka ni Mama! Habol! Ganda ng mga dito. Try natin. Sige.
Ako pa naman. Lahat gusto ko yung mga...
Yes, donuts.
Nasa iyo. Tignan mo.
Yung...
I'm getting the apple raspberry. Anong kukunin mo?
This one, custard.
Mukhang masarap rin yung prosciutto. May prosciutto sila.
Parang ang interesting eh.
Bakit kanina hindi siya nahuhulog?
Sweet and salty nga eh. Oh, prosciutto.
Hindi nahulog daw na baka nakaipit
May teriyaki.
Hindi, kanina nakaganyan lang siya.
Oo, yan. Nakaganyan. Ayan, oo.
Baka may bago.
Ano ba naman yan?
Oh.
Galag na.
Ang pangalan niya Ana. Sa Starbucks kasi mahirap daw dala Easter Esther eh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Okay.
Masarap.
Nandito, tita. 4.
Oh, they have mannequin. They have mannequin here. Shinjuku Station. That's my favorite.
And then...
Wala na yung kastanyas nila. But they have sweet potato and
Okay,
maple.
Lulu, come here.
Sweet potato and
So we're looking for our late lunch.
Tap an item to order. Thank you for your order.
May tikwakan.
Ano? Wasabi?
In trio.
Bigay mo na kayo dito ba?
Dito ba ba?
Order again ka na.
Yung ramen place na kinainan namin kagabi, pinilahan din namin yun eh.
ano ba? Can get
Kati
Good. Good. Ano lang, parang vinegar ko lang.
Ganun lang.
Hindi pa siya. Wow, ito yan. Yung in-order mo.
sabi ko ha.
Meron akong hindi. Ano mo in-order mo? Large size? Ha?
Okay lang.
Sabi ko lang kung ano yung hindi mo.
Okay. Hindi kasama to.
I'll do it. Just pick one. 3? 1? Hey, thank you. Take it off. Wow, you have a toy. You have a free toy. Mura na yun, ha?
Consume namin.
1.5.
Ipapasok.
Dilo, say. Ganon. Yes, say ganon. Look. Bye, Lulu. Second floor. Here's our queen-sized bed. And then, meron din little couch. Good for two. Yan, maliit lang siya. So, kaya medyo magulo na. Masikip na. Ayan, may... Diyan namin nilalagay yung mga jackets namin. Hang namin. Ayan.
Tita Myron?
Tita Myron yun. Tito Myron. Papa. Papa Myron.
Papa Myron? Hey, going that simple.
Here's our view.
This our view.
That's Ginza. That's Ginza Street. I think that's the end of the Ginza Street. Ginza Avenue. So, there you go. Let's show the bathroom, Lulu. Come on, let's show the bathroom. To our friends. Show the bathroom. Here's our bathroom. Okay. Show the bathtub. Where's the bathtub? Here's the bathtub. And then, here's our shower. And may soap, meron din conditioner, and then shampoo. And dito, pwede ka rin maligo. And mga parang traditional onsen. Okay. Show the toilet, Lulu. Show the toilet. Where you oo. Where's the toilet? Okay. Yan. Automated na rin siya. Then yan, may mga bidet na rin.
Hey, Dylan.
Okay.
Okay.
This is where the party happens. In the bathroom. In the toilet.
Yung bathroom.
So there may TV, may sink.
I think
So yan, habang nagre-ready yung mga girls,
you see the
Dito.
You see the bathroom in
Then,
the soap?
we have mini fridge. Ito yung binili namin kahapon na sweet potato. Okay. And then you have a safe. You have a safe here, right, Lulu?
Yes.
It's heavy.
Shabby.
There's the safe. And then, what we have here? May kettle. And then may mga cups. Glasses. Okay. That's about it. That's about it. Pansit. That's it. Pansit. And then pwede ka rin dito mag-charge. Yan. Like, by the bed. So, hindi mo na kailangan tumayo. Kahit habang papahinga ka, pwede naka-charge. So, there you go.
Here you go.
There's a 7-Eleven here. Sa baba ng hotel namin. Let's go, guys! Tumutunog yung Seiko watch. It's 6 p.m. And may colored green siya. That's nice. It's my favorite. So chicken and chicken sandwich. So here's the Muji Hotel. There. Truffles, yeah.
Baka gusto ni Nina.
Sige. Hanap tayo pa sa lubong. Okay. Nice. They have sandwiches. Sandwiches ba ito? Ay, hindi.
Matcha covered, matcha covered strawberry. Papa.
Oh, they have matcha chocolate ganache truffles. Looks good. Looks yummy. Strawberry. Strawberry ganache. They have Earl Grey. We're at the stationery floor. Diffuser egg. Ah, can I smell it? So it comes with the glass? It comes with the glass?
Glass?
No?
No.
No? It's okay. It smells good. Okay.
Tama, ang cute. Flip card. Kinuha ko si Happy. So parang 1 December 1.
Parang bingo lang. Okay. Oh, nice. Sarap. Solid. How much the damage? 4,000. Kagat lang.
Kagat lang, kagat. Yummy?
Kagat lang.
Ako na. Ako na.
Mahulog.
Mmm.
You like it?
Yum yum.
Ayo.
Yum yum.
I know them.